wish I had the same delusion that I did when I was 2 and didn't think that I could ruin anything at all. I could never fall. I wish I had that same conviction, convinced I never needed fixing. Yeah, that girl really knew her business. Where did she go? Yeah, she thought she could do anything, thought she could get anywhere. Confident she's number one, and if nothing, everybody's wrong. Used to be calm, now I can't remember how I used to do it. That I was a member of Confidence Club, cause that don't last forever. I wish I saw what she saw, I wish I knew what she knew. I love how she...
Good morning guys, and welcome to yet another new Vloggy. I'm getting ready to go to campus. I have a full day, so spend this day with me. And I just want to brush my teeth, my hair, sorry, and then just make some eggs and just make an egg sandwich and be on the way, because I have to leave in the next 10 minutes. So let me just brush my hair and get ready. You can't see because I'm gonna be using this, but I'm gonna, because right now I'm bouncing from the floor. So
but sadly I've outgrown it. I know I'm still that girl, but I don't know how to show it. Like she knew, like she knew, she knew, she knew. Wasn't really ready, no, I had to grow up, but it's so heavy and I'm feeling low. Unlearning all that was wrong for me.
So,
and I wish somebody would
this is my lunch.
Should've worn it. No, they did, but I kept ignoring. Didn't wanna have to face it, but if I don't know, it's gonna break me. Oh, yeah, she thought she could do anything, thought she could get anywhere. Confident she...
And I forgot my to get cut. Thank Jesus Christ. That was not far. So let's go back.
Do it, that I was a member of Confidence Club, cause that don't last forever. I wish I saw what she saw, I wish I knew what she knew. I love how she just don't know, but sadly I've outgrown it. I know I'm still that girl, but I don't know how to show it. Like she knew, like she knew, she knew, she knew. It's like sitting in a boat.
It's 8 and I'm not leaving anything new. I'm officially late.
Is there anything else I should bring? Yeah, all that shit that I can't. When that baggage is heavy, baby, I got reason to worry. Please don't tell me I got reason to worry now.
Jag kollar dig hela tiden. Hej hej, nu ska jag zooma in dig lite så att jag kommer närmare dig. Då kan du säga hej mamma.
Hej mamma.
Hej pappa.
Hej pappa.
a bit hungry, but I'm actually on my way back to the house. It's all smooshed. It's smooshed. Let me eat and let's go. I'm not gonna eat with you guys. The other side is so full. There are a lot of people campus today. Hence why I chose this side of campus to walk. And that lady up there is watching.
Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your phone up. Why you messing my head up? Any night, any day, let me take you away.
Just like that, girl is back. I'm so tired. Now I just want to, what's this thing? I finished editing a vlog. Even though it's late, I'm sorry. I just wanna rewatch it, export it, and post it. Cause now I just have a headache. My shoulders are killing me. So let's just do that now. I finished rewatching the vlog. I exported, it's uploading now. Make sure that you check that one first. For now, I'm just going to do my dishes. They are currently around, so I'm definitely not doing dishes with you guys. But I think I'll see you guys later when I prepare to go watch Dr. Lisa Jakanya. I don't know if he's a doctor, but Lisa Jakanya is having a lecture today, which you and I, we are going to attend.
A few hours later.
We are changed. We are on our way.
What could he do for me? I told him that my love is free. But can you match me? I can do it all for myself. Want you, but really don't need help. So can you match me? I like luxury. I like fancy things. Shine on my body. Live like royalty. Treat you like a king. If I trust, but you must be worthy of the crown. I'm not just anybody, born to live in luxury. La 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 la. La 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 la. Lux. La 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 la. La 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 la. I'm serving rich Auntie Chloe B. I know my job is a blessing, but if you pay me. Rocks on my wrist, fur on my feet. Setting the table in all the chic. Baby, come eat. I like luxury. I like fancy things. Shine on my body. Live like royalty. Treat you like a king if I trust. But you must be worthy of the crown. I'm not just anybody. Born to live in luxury. I work too hard on my.
Hi lovin's, just like that is the end of the day. I just had my dinner. I am quite so full. I don't know why, but I'm that full. But thank you for keeping me company today. I'm just gonna catch up on a few vlogs and then read a couple of pages. I just started reading Makai by Grey Huffington, and after those few pages, call it a night. But with that being said, I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Bye. Hello guys, I have not been editing whole. With that being said, let's get to it. Hello and warm welcome back to my channel. For those that are coming across my channel for the first time, hi, I'm Kawabo. I pray and I hope that you love it enough for you to consider joining my tribe by subscribing and making sure to press the notification bell to be notified every time I drop a video. Right, and to my all-time lovings, hey girl, welcome back to a new vloggy. With that being said, I started this vlog yesterday. I had a full day yesterday. It's currently, I think it's 11 right now. I'm not quite sure of the time as of yet. And guess another today I wanna clean and I wanna do my laundry. I haven't done laundry in a while. I think ever since I got here, I haven't actually done any laundry. But with all honesty, I've been inside this place studying and everything. I hardly went outside for me to be saying that I have to change clothes now and again, right? So with that being said, let's do laundry, clean, take a bath, study, and make breakfast in between. I don't think I'm gonna cook for today. I think I'm gonna have noodles for dinner. For the entire sweetie, because I'm not about to cook. I'm not a cook person, especially when I stay alone, because I hate food eating alone. With that being said, let me stop yapping and get this day started.
Broken future, all the plans you made in your heart grew just to die. And now your damaged goods, damage should have never been. Thought you were bulletproof, look at you, what happened? Did she hurt you? Are you okay, baby? Everyone gets hurt, that's how we learn to make love work. It's part of life.
If you know, what is this compartment for in a washing machine? This romance, please let me know.
Baby, don't cry no more. Just let her walk out your door. Baby, don't cry no more. Mama's here. I wrote a little.
With that on the washing machine, let's take that side of the house. But I'm gonna wash my bed sheets also, so probably, I know normally people washes their bed sheets before the laundry. I don't know what happened to my laundry today, but with that happening, it's happening. So for now, let me just sort out that part and yeah.
Loving all the nights I spent wondering why we couldn't be. Ooh. And now that you're alone, you're on my phone, running game. But maybe, baby, when it settles in that you're to blame, we could move on, pick up where we went wrong.
That I just wanna put on the fabric softener. That's laundry. That's also laundry. This I just want. They have a nasty smell from being packed away for long. You know what's one thing in life that I really want and I can't wait for and I manifest that to the universe and I pray on it, right? It's having my own space. It is having my own space whereby I would do everything and I put everything the way I want them to. Staying with people is a bit uncomfortable for me, honestly, but you work with what you have and you appreciate where you are in life. I guess I do, but I really want to get out.
You need, yeah, lay all your love on me. Mama's here. Oh, I wrote a lullaby for you. No, no, no.
Planning on putting the carpet rug back on my room. I want to see if I cannot squeeze going to wash it at my previous accommodation tomorrow. I will see tomorrow or Sunday, but definitely the steady as carpet is not going back on my floor. Yeah, so I'm just waiting for the cycle to finish so that I just move my machine a bit to just sweep and put it back where it is, and then I continue with cleaning. And while the other load is in the washing machine, because after cleaning I am going to take a bath. After taking a bath I'm going to cook. I thought that I might not cook, but I'm defrosting some ox liver. Sorry about that. I'm defrosting some ox liver that I want to have with pap, and I'm gonna make, I don't know what I'm gonna make, but you'll see. But it involves carrots, beans, whatever in it. I hope it hits good, like I tasted on my tongue. It actually needs sweet chili sauce, and I don't have it. Sorry, and I'm gonna work with what I have. I'm not gonna to stress myself over something that I do not have, and I don't have the money to buy. That's one thing about me. I work with whatever I have at hand. It's just draining water, then it'll be done. Let me just watch this movie that I'm currently watching. So yeah, guys, I think that I'm getting old, because tell me why I'm so happy. Because my laundry basket is empty, my space smells good, my sheets smells like a hotel, like everything is clean. I'm clean right now. I'm about to cook on a Friday. I'm so happy, I'm just happy with for the clean space, then that finally I did my laundry. But for now, let's cook. I'm so happy.
Lately my thoughts got me distant. Darker days filling up darker minds. Stuck in this room that keeps spinning, wondering how you been, where you hide. Late night drinking, wishful thinking, what if you were here? Morning waking, heart still aching, something about the way you make me feel. I don't wanna mess up your night, I don't wanna put up a fight, I don't wanna trouble you, babe, but I gotta say, I don't wanna waste no more time trying to shake the feelings inside. Finally got made up my mind, can't go one more day without you. No. Lately there's something that's missing. Empty bed doesn't feel empty hearts. Typical me reminiscing. A memory doesn't heal open scars. Late night drinking, wishful thinking, what if you were here? Morning waking, heart still aching, something about the way you make me feel. I don't wanna mess up your night, I don't wanna put up a fight, I don't wanna trouble you, babe, but I got to say, I don't wanna waste no more time trying to shake the feelings inside. Finally got made up my mind, can't go one more day without you. Can't go one more day without you. No, can't go one more day. No, I can't. One more day without you. Can't go one more day.
let's go to Pick n Pay to go buy bread and some onion and a green pepper. Today I think I'm just gonna do still have the leftovers ox liver and the carrot whatever that I tried. So I think I'm not gonna do spaghetti with it for tonight. I don't know, probably, because I don't want bab. Yeah, so I just wanted to show you my outfit. It's not working though. Let's see what we can do. Okay, here is it. I'm just wearing a black jean, this crop top hoodie thing, and my cap. Why am I wearing a cap? It's too much sun outside, and I don't want to wear my glasses. But that's it. For now, I'm just gonna put on my shoes. I'm wearing this kicks, and we'll be out. Hi guys, we are back. This is a mini haul of what I got for Pick n Pay. Okay. Oh, right. So the main reason why we had bread, some 1 liter of milk, and 2 onions. Because I'm running out of onion, and then I got a snacky snack. Study snack actually. I got 2 new snacks. They were like 26 cents for 2, so that's all I got. I just want to have something to eat. Then I'm currently watching Married at First Sight. I'm on episode 3 now. And I wanted to do my cupboard with you guys. I'll see if I'll do it with you guys, because since I did laundry, I haven't actually packed it away. It's packed, but it's not yet inside the cupboard. Right, so let me have something to eat. Indulge in this episode. Then I'll see you guys when we pack. We should do it today actually. So yeah.
I've never seen this person when I like this person. Married at first sight.
Hello guys, I hope you guys are good. I think you might be wondering what's going on with your girl, but I think that I might be PMSing, because I feel I had the most laziest day ever there was in the history of me. Okay, no, I had bad days and I have better days. Today was one of the bad days, so I stayed in bed I think until 2. Right now it's 12 minutes to 4, and I'm about to do the thingy, this cupboard thing, so that we can officially close off this vlog, because you guys are not engaging. I don't know if you want the longer version vlogs or the 30 minutes ones. Which ones do you actually prefer? If you see this in real time, please comment on the comment section and tell me what you prefer. Your preference. Right? So I want to do that. I'm having this. I had this for dinner last night. I don't know what is it, but it's food. I slept full. I'm about to eat it. I don't feel it either. I don't feel like eating today, but I did have like an egg in the morning, but I don't know what's going on. But whatever is going on, I need it out of my system soon. Because I need to study, and I started feeling this whole thing from yesterday. But at least yesterday I didn't study, did I? I didn't study also yesterday. Today I'm not studying, and I'm writing on Thursday. That's not good. It's not good at all. Please don't do it and don't even try it at home, kindly. Thank you. So with that being said, let me show you currently how the state looks. I'm just gonna show you the before and the after. I don't know if I wanna like vlog throughout. If I did, I'm happy for you guys. If I don't, hey, askies. So you know, I should have done this thing earlier when kids were still in school. Now as after school, they are running around, they're making noise, and they interfere with my peace of mind today. Yeah. So let's get down to it.
The number one cause actually of marriage breakdowns is communication issues. Most married people don't know how to communicate. The things that you like.
Let's refold all of that. Okay. And then this other that loaded that I washed. So this is like clean things that I folded. So this ones are fine. Just need to refold that one. And I'm catching up on my current favorite and having water. At this point I wish that I had wine.
A few hours later.
I am done. I think I am done. This part I think it's fine. Let me put this in here. Yeah. So that's it. It's done. And here it's done. It's all packed, is nice. So here are like my undies, socks and everything. I prefer putting in them in that thing because I don't have drawers. Sorry for the noise, background noise. Hello my lovings, if you guys are seeing this part of the vloggy at the end of the vlog, thank you very much for watching until this far. And with that being said, please don't forget to give this vlog a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Leave me a sweet comment for me to know on, and most importantly, please don't forget to subscribe if you're enjoying the channel, and also make sure that you share this video and my other videos to other people that you're sure that they will enjoy the content I serve in this place, child. With that being said, blessed week ahead from me to you, and yes, I love you. Bye, sis.